Transcendence is Sonoma Wine Country's premier entertainment experience. Our goal is to bring the best of Broadway to Sonoma County, so you can experience like a Broadway show in New York, but out in the vineyards of Sonoma under the stars.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you are in the world. Welcome to Sonoma County, where life opens up. Well, every summer, Transcendence Theatre Company brings in ultra-talented performers from across the United States to perform Broadway's biggest hits, dancing, singing, all here to Sonoma County. Today, we're talking to Amy Miller, the co-founder and creative director of Transcendence Theatre Company.
My background is in dance. I danced on Broadway, and there was a moment in dance that I called transcendence, this moment where you just felt free. So the actual word means excelling, surpassing, or going beyond the usual limits. So with the theater company, we want to create an extraordinary experience for everyone. Somehow the music, somehow the magic, somehow the stars, and being outside and being connected with people gives them the confidence to keep going and live life to the fullest. That's what we aim to do. And Transcendence is able to share the arts with the community all year long. We have our Broadway Under the Stars concerts in Wine Country, where we bring in Broadway talent from Broadway national tours and give people an incredible experience under the stars. Then we also have arts programming for children in the community. Over 11,000 youth have been inspired over the past years. We've done over 140 community engagement projects. We worked and brought music to people who have Alzheimer's. We brought music to people that are in underserved communities and also get them to come to the shows. We have Broadway music in the shows, but we also explore so many different types of music, from pop music to jazz to incredible dancing of all different styles. Then we also do these unique musical reviews. We just did one of the 60s, 70s, and 80s. It was just a night that was so amazing. So you get to come to Transcendence and experience an eclectic mix of music and art. The entire Sonoma community has built this together. It's amazing to have a theater that was built by everyone, and they feel a part of that, and they are a part of creating that inspiration. Our goal is that this can become one of the regional theaters that's here for 100 years and beyond. People from around the world will travel to Sonoma for the amazing experience that their life is going to open up and they'll be rejuvenated, and that they can come to Transcendence and experience the power of the arts in nature and the power of connection and community, and they will leave here inspired to keep going out and living life to the fullest.
For tickets or more information, visit transcendencetheater.org.